Hi guys, welcome to a brand new episode of AB in the Films. Let's talk about one of the greatest comedies of all time.
You've been so good to me, you know you make me want to take the ball.
A pledge pin!
National Lampoon's Animal House.
We all love this movie. We've all seen this movie. We've all quoted this movie. We've all agreed, I think, that next to Blues Brothers, this is John Belushi's crowning achievement. And I could watch this movie forever and still laugh so hard to it. The writing in this movie is perfect. The characters are perfect. The situations they have to go through are perfect. The fact that this came out in 1978 and it takes place in the early 60s, love it. Love the soundtrack for this movie. I remember every one of these characters and the food fight I remember, Niedermeyer and the horse that scene with the horse. You know, I was 12 when I first saw this movie. My dad let me watch it. He said, don't tell your mom, because it's rated R. But when that horse, oh my, show it.
What about that horse? Is there anything in the world you hate as much as that horse? Just blanks, right? There were blanks in that gun.
I didn't even point the gun at him.
Seven years of college down the drain. Might as well join the Peace Corps.
Redo those buttons. Dress that belt buckle. Straighten that cap.
A vicious mother, isn't he? Yeah. He can't do that to our pledges. Only we can do that to our pledges.
This is a movie about a bunch of guys going to Faber College in the early 60s, and it's an animal house is what it is. This is one of the true classics of not just the 70s, but I think comedies in general. And I'm sorry for this review being so short, but I'll tell you, everybody has said something about this movie. I got nothing else to say. What can you say? It's Animal House.
And if you ever leave me, I don't want nobody else. I said I want you to know.
One of the best films, and I will see you guys in the next one.